Are you tired of lugging around bulky and heavy suitcases that make your travel experience a nightmare? Do you wish you had luggage that can adapt to your changing needs and preferences? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to check out the ZDX Expandable Spinner, the ultimate travel companion for savvy travelers. The ZDX Expandable Spinner is not just a suitcase, it's a smart suitcase that offers reliable performance and elegant convenience for travelers. Whether you are going on a business trip, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, this suitcase will make your journey easier and more enjoyable. A great feature of this suitcase is its 360-degree spinner wheels, which provide effortless maneuverability and smooth rolling on any surface. You can glide through crowded airports, busy streets, and narrow corridors with ease and confidence. No more struggling with awkward angles and heavy lifting. The ZDX Medium Expandable Spinner also has an exterior-mounted outsider handle, which provides a flat packing surface and prevents wrinkling of your clothes. Unlike other suitcases that have internal handles that take up valuable space and create bumps and creases, this suitcase gives you more room and less hassle. And if you are still not convinced, here's the best part. The ZDX Medium Expandable Spinner comes with a lifetime guarantee from Briggs & Riley, one of the most trusted brands in the luggage industry. This means that if your suitcase ever breaks or gets damaged, they will repair it for free, no questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity to get the ZDX Expandable Spinner, the smart suitcase that will make your travel dreams come true. Order yours today and get ready to experience the difference.